Certic is delighted to announce the release of Security Leaderboard 360. The Security Leaderboard is an integrated end-to-end security solution for the Web3 community and investors. Our new and improved Skynet modules give the community and investors a 360 view of project insights that are important to them. We designed our price analysis module and market liquidity and validity module to be customizable so that you can access real-time market data on a project token and identify the information that is important to you. The price analysis module integrates a token project's price movement alongside the other on-chain, security, and social analytics to create a comprehensive TradingView tool. Our TradingView tool allows you to overlay analytics of your choosing so that you can assess a project based on a combination of metrics. Our new People Also, Invest In, Talk About feature offers a snapshot of other projects that are comparable to the project you are currently viewing. To learn more about our Security Leaderboard 360, visit certic.com/resources.